Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to message someone on the Facebook dating profile. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and select dating from the menu options. If you don't see dating in the menu, it may not be available in your location or you may need to update your Facebook app. If you haven't set up your dating profile yet, you will be prompted to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill out your profile details. Add photos and set your dating preferences. Once your profile is set up, you can browse through potential matches based on your preferences, interests, and location. You can like or pass on profiles by tapping the heart icon or the X icon respectively. If you come across a profile you are interested in, tap the heart icon to like the profile. If the person also likes your profile, it will create a match. If you have matched with someone, you can start a conversation by tapping on their profile. On their profile, you will see an option to send a message. Tap on Send Message to open the chat window. In the chat window, type your message and tap the Send button to send the message to the person you matched with. Facebook Dating offers icebreaker prompts and questions that you can use to start conversations if you are unsure what to say. These prompts can be found in the chat window when initiating a conversation. Once the message is sent, wait for the person to respond. You can continue the conversation within the chat window. You can access your ongoing conversations by tapping on the chat icon in the Facebook dating section of the app. This allows you to keep track of your messages and interactions. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.